Hey, welcome to the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Fair Figure Business Credit Monitoring Service and their business line of credit. It's the Fair Figure Capital Card. I'm going to break down who Fair Figure is and what they offer, as well as the demo dashboard for their premium account. So if you're trying to build up business credit, you're struggling, or you're lost, confused, this video is right for you. Watch until the end because it's a vital step when you're building business credit. By signing up to Fair Figure, you can have up to 2 business credit trade lines reporting to the business credit bureaus, and that's just one step when you're building up business credit. They're just stepping stones. Take advantage of these. Doesn't matter if you're a new business or a well-established business, Fair Figure, their trade lines can definitely help you build up your business credit. They have one offering similar to the NAV Prime, where they provide monthly business credit score monitoring, and then they offer the Fair Figure business line of credit capital card. If you get approved for the Fair Figure Capital Card, it's going to be huge limits, but it's going to help you build up more business credit because that's going to be the second trade line reporting to the business credit bureaus. If you're familiar with the NAV Prime, they offer also pretty much the same thing as far as trade line reporting for the monthly service. Fair Figure is much cheaper, and if you use the link in the description below, you're going to get 50% off the first month. And then if you qualify for the Fair Figure Capital Card, then you're going to get that second monthly trade line reporting to the business credit bureaus. The difference between, say, NAV Prime versus Fair Figure's Capital Card is Fair Figure is not doing a net 1 day. With the NAV Prime card, it's net 1 day. So whatever you charge today, within 24 hours, it's going to be taken out of your business checking account. Versus the Fair Figure, it's going to be a weekly payment, technically a net 7. And you have anywhere from 4 weeks or 6 weeks to pay it back. So let's just say you got approved initially for $1,000 on the Fair Figure Business Capital Card. So it's going to be a fee. There is a fee. It's, I think, about 6%. It's going to be broken into weekly payments, 4 or 6 weeks. Those 4 to 6 weeks payment are going to be with the fee and equal payments broken down. You pay those payments back, and that's going to be reported every month to the business credit bureaus as another trade line. It's available to you. It's not necessarily required for you to do that. You can just get the basic premium account. $30 a month versus the NAV Prime is, I think, $49.99 a month. The first month is 50% off, about $15. You really can't beat the price for what they offer. We're going to go over that here in a moment. I have had the founder, Aaron, on the channel for an interview. I'll have him on here in the next coming weeks as well. Definitely Fair Figure is a game changer. So I would look at Fair Figure as just one of the many tools that you need to build up your business credit. So I would definitely take advantage of getting the Fair Figure premium account. And then if you qualify for the Fair Figure Capital Card, then go ahead and get that. And yes, there's a fee, like I said, to the Fair Figure Capital Card, but when you're trying to build up business credit, who cares if you're paying $100 or something in fees? I mean, that's just part of, doing business. But it's going to help you build up the business credit and have a solid foundation on your business credit. Like I said, again, this is just a tool to build up your business credit. So let's jump over to the website. We're going to go over 3 things. I have a demo account, which I'm going to show you guys that, premium account, and I'm going to go over the Fair Figure Capital Card comparison, the NAV Prime card, as well as the premium account. Okay, so you can see here the features, and this is basically the comparison. So the closest thing like Fair Figure will be the NAV Prime or NAV to offer personal credit scores, the Vantage 3.0, but that's not really that important. However, what sets Fair Figure and NAV kind of apart is you can dispute things with Fair Figure's dashboard or your business credit report. Can't really do that within the NAV dashboard. I'm not going to read every single thing. You guys can just use the link in the description below and read about all that, but I would definitely recommend signing up to the premium account. They do have a free account. However, I would just do the premium account. It's well worth the $30 monthly fee. The first month, use the link in the description below. Coupon code, I believe it's GBC50, 50% off the first month. This is kind of what sets them apart. The Tri-Bureau personal monitoring, so you can fix errors. So Fair Figure has that, other guys don't. And then the Fair Figure Credit Corrector. Fix your business credit fast. Fair Figure disputes and corrects errors across the business credit bureaus, or a sparkling business profile. They do it, but others don't. I will tell you, very hard, especially if you're any of my mentorship clients, my one-on-one business credit mentorship clients. And if you are interested in that, I have a few more spots available, 30% off. Just text 937-423-9954 if you are interested. As most of those students would tell you, the ones that have problems on their business credit report tell you it's not easy getting the business credit bureaus to up addresses or errors on their business credit reports. Business credit reporting agencies are not regulated by the federal government. There is with personal credit, the Fair Credit Reporting Act. On the business side, there really is no such law. So you're at their mercy to update things in a timely manner. Some of these disputes that you say updated address, you moved or something, some of my students, they have to wait up to 2 months even. So having this feature definitely does help. And then access to the Fair Figure Capital Card, which will help you build up your business credit. Others do not. And it's not a net 1 day. It's technically, like say, a net 7 day, but it's spread out over, say, 4 or 6 weeks. So if you get, say, $1,000 approval and you use that, then it's going to be loaded onto your Fair Figure Capital Card, the MasterCard, and then it's going to be just, say, 4 weeks. It's going to be, probably like $260, $270, something like that, with the fees and everything. And then that's going to be reported to the business credit bureaus. You don't have to use it, even if you get it. You use it for 1 month. You don't have to continue using it, if you don't need to. It's just there to help you as a second trade line. And there's no personal credit check. Definitely be beneficial to you. So while we're on that topic, let's jump over to the capital card. Okay, so there's the Fair Figure Business Credit Capital Card. It's a comparison with NAV Prime and other corporate charge cards. As you can see, it says select your own payment terms, payback payment terms. NAV Prime, it requires next day payback. That's what I was talking about, net 1 day. So when they say select your own payback terms, I said they offer 4 to 6 weeks. They might be changing that too. I know they're working on so many different features and lending products for business owners. And then if you kind of compare it says best in class in monitoring plus 2 trade lines, and then NAV Prime limited monitoring plus 2 trade lines. Basically the same thing, but they offer a bit more. Because like I said, with NAV, you can't get things updated and changed either. Now keep this in mind. The Fair Figure Capital Card is not a card that you're going to get like $20,000 limit, regardless how good your personal or business credit is. Like I said, they're not pulling your personal credit. They're not going to tell you exactly what for their own in-house algorithm. However, we talked about this before when I had Aaron, founder of Fair Figure, on in the past. The Fair Figure Capital Card is really meant for those trying to build up business credit. It doesn't matter how good your personal credit is, good or bad. It's just like a stepping stone. And this product really isn't made to get you so much capital. So you could use this to pay, say, some other net 30 vendors. That's what I would say this capital card is used for the most. That's what they see internally used the most. So if you have other net 30 invoices that you have to pay on a monthly basis, you could use this Fair Figure Capital Card to pay those invoices. That's just going to further help you build up your business credit. Like I said, the link is in the description below. Sign up, you're going to get 50% off. Let's go over the dashboard real quick. I make several other videos in the near future about Fair Figure, more in detail. It's just one I wanted to put out. So this is a demo account that Fair Figure provided for me to do this demo. Definitely get the premium plan. Like I said, there is a free plan, but I would suggest getting the paid premium plan. Only $30 a month. First month, use the link in the description below. GBC50 promo code. That's going to get you minimum just the 1 trade line reporting. You're going to get the Creditsafe, business credit monitoring and report. You show your risk score, Equifax. It's not going to show personal on this demo account because it's just a demo account. And then they have their own score, which is the Fundex. And then if you scroll to the side, you're going to see like the foundation report, going to process it, and you're going to see they have their own internal score called the Fundex score. That's how they can predict like what they could offer you funding wise. And then the Creditsafe score and the Equifax Business score. You're going to see your business information across the board between the 3, account summary, and the trade lines between the 3. Collections, public records, if any. And then when you apply for capital, you're going to see that link that says apply for capital. It's going to say currently your Fundex score is too low to qualify to apply for capital. So there's different metrics that go into that. I really wouldn't focus on that right now. Sign up, get the premium account, and then connect your account with your business bank account within their system using the Plaid encrypted. It's secure. Usually within 24 hours, you're going to see it pull up, populate all the data, and see if you qualify. So then there's the business monitoring. It's going to be showing a snapshot with your business checking account, everything, deposits and withdrawals, all that. Then your scores and limits and credit prediction, your business credit prediction. And then the trade experiences, show you like Creditsafe trades, 16 Tradelines reporting, Equifax, total trade balance, recent high credit, etc. Then it's going to show the personal credit and the credit correct. That's if you want to get things updated or fixed within the bureaus. Stay tuned. I'll be putting out future videos in the coming days, breaking the demo down more detail. So stay tuned for that. Again, if you're interested for the one-on-one business credit mentorship, text me 937-423-9954. I do have 2 or 3 more spots that just opened up, 30% off for those spots currently. We have 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 12 weeks, and 16 weeks available. With all that being said, you guys take care. Don't forget to the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.